Hello children, welcome back to the video session of Computer Science of Standard 6. Today you are going to learn Chapter 3 MS Word 2007. Come, let's enter into the video session.
Chapter 3 MS Word 2007 Introduction. In earlier days, to print letters, prepare statements, or documents, a manual typewriter was used, which was later replaced by electronic typewriter machine. The invention of computers quickly replaced most of the manual documentation, and almost the typewriters are extinct in most workplaces. As computers are fast replacing most of the manual documentation work, software, technically called word processors, are introduced to process text. Word processors are application software that are used for creating, editing, sorting, and printing all kinds of documents. Some examples of word processors are Microsoft Word 2003, MS Word 2007, MS Word 2010, Adobe Acrobat, and OpenOffice. Word processors are applied in the fields of journalism, e-publishing, and DTP, that is desktop publishing. The word processing is integral for the preparation and presentation of documents. Come, let's learn the MS Word 2007. Features of MS Word 2007. MS Word 2007 was developed by Microsoft Corporation. It has gained its popularity due to its advanced features. Some of them are: it comes with a gallery of building blocks which can drop into a document to add elements like headers, footers, cover pages, slide bars, etc. It adds a great multi-lane view that makes comparing different versions of the same document easy. The new contextual spelling checker is a wonderful feature in MS Word 2007. So, how to get into MS Word 2007? One of the common ways to get into MS Word 2007 is using the Start button. Then, click Programs. Then, go to Microsoft Office. After that, click Microsoft Office Word 2007. Components of MS Word 2007 window. The Microsoft Office button. This button is found at the top left part of the MS Word 2007 window. This button helps us to perform many functions. Using this button, we can create a new document, open an existing document, save a document, print, send a document through email or fax, or close the current document. Quick Access Toolbar. By default, this toolbar appears next to the MS Office button. The Quick Access Toolbar helps us to access the frequently used commands. In other words, it is a shortcut to frequently used commands. By default, only three buttons appears on this toolbar: Save, Undo, and Redo. The Save button is used to save the document. The Undo button is to roll back an action, and Redo is to apply the same action again. The keyboard shortcuts for Save is Ctrl plus S, Undo and Redo are Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y respectively. We can also add other commands to this toolbar by right-clicking on any command in the MS Office button or in the ribbon and click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. By doing this, a shortcut will be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Ribbon. The ribbon is a collection of tabs in a panel at the top portion of the document. It is designed to help us to find the commands quickly to complete a task. The commands are organized in groups which are collected together under tabs. The ribbon has 7 tabs, namely Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View, as shown in the picture. Each tab contains many features for carrying out related type of activities. The ribbon can be minimized to make more space on the screen. The shortcut key for minimizing and maximizing the ribbon is Ctrl plus F1. Work area, scroll bars and rulers. Work area. It is a blank area where the text can be keyed in. It has a blinking vertical line called cursor that indicates where the text will appear. Next, scroll bars. Scroll bars are used to scroll across the window, up, down, left, and right. There are two types of scroll bars, namely horizontal and vertical. A horizontal scroll bar is used to scroll from left to right and vice versa, and the vertical scroll bar is used for up and down movement and vice versa. Next, rulers. Rulers control the margins of the page. They appear on the top and left side of the work area. Creating a new document. To create a new document in MS Word 2007, the following methods are used. Method 1. Click on the Microsoft Office button and then click on New option. A list of choices are displayed about the type of document to be created. Click on the option Blank Document to start a new document. Method 2. Using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus N, a new blank document can be created. Entering text in a new document. Once the blank document is created, it is ready for typing text. The text will appear on the work area where the blinking cursor is located. As the text is typed, the cursor moves towards the right of the screen. Saving a document. The Save option helps us to store the document in the computer for future purpose. To save a document, click on the Microsoft Office button and click Save option. The Save As dialog box appears as shown below. Now type a file name and click on Save button. The keyboard shortcut for saving a document is Ctrl plus S. Save As option. The Save As option is used to save the document in a different location or with a different name. To use this option, click on the Microsoft Office button and then select the option Save As. Now type a new file name to save the document with a different name. The keyboard shortcut for Save As option is F12, the function key. Difference between Save and Save As option. First, Save. To save a document for the first time, the Save option is used. Save As. To make a copy of the document, the Save As option is used. Each time when Save option is used, the document is simply saved with the same name. Each time when Save As option is used, the document is saved with a different name or location or both. The keyboard shortcut for Save option is Ctrl plus S. The keyboard shortcut for Save As option is F12. Closing a document. A document must be closed after using it. To close the current document, click the option Close. This is the last option in MS Office button. If the file contains any unsaved changes, MS Word 2007 prompts to save the changes by displaying the confirmation dialog box as shown. We can also close MS Word 2007 by clicking on the Close button. This is found at the top right corner of the document. If the files has been saved before and there are no new changes, MS Word simply closes the file. The keyboard shortcut for closing a document is Ctrl plus F4. Opening an existing document. The Open option is used to open an existing document. To open a document, click on MS Office button and select the option Open. The Open dialog box appears as shown, displaying a list of files. You can choose the document by clicking on the file name and click Open button, or if you have used the file recently, you can choose the file from Recent Documents section. The keyboard shortcut for opening a document is Ctrl plus O. Exiting MS Word 2007. To close MS Word 2007 application, click on MS Office button and select the option Exit Word. This option is found in the lower right corner of MS Office button. We can also exit by double clicking on MS Office button. The keyboard shortcut is Alt plus F4. Text selection in MS Word 2007. To work or edit any text, it is necessary to select a particular text that includes a word, line, or a paragraph. The text can be selected in two different ways, namely using keyboard, using mouse. First, we are going to see how to select the text with keyboard. This way of selection is done when a particular word, line, or paragraph has to be selected. Keyboard selection is carried out by pressing the Shift key along with the appropriate arrow keys. Next, we are going to see how to select the text with mouse. The mouse selection can be done by placing the cursor at the beginning of the text, holding the left mouse button and dragging across the text that is to be selected. Once the desired text is selected, it will be highlighted. The text can be deselected by clicking the mouse outside the selected area. To select a word, double click within the word. To select a paragraph, triple click within the paragraph. To select the entire document, click on the select button located in the right corner of the home tab and choose select all from the drop down list or press Ctrl plus A. Text insertion. To insert text in a document, we can move the cursor to the desired location where the text is to be inserted and simply start typing. We can also insert text in a document by other methods using cut, copy, and paste options. Now let us discuss the other methods. Cut option. This option is used to cut a particular portion of the text and temporarily place it on the clipboard. In other words, this option is used to move a portion of the text from one part of the document to the other position in the same document or can be placed in some other document too. To perform the cut option, follow the steps. Select the text that you wish to cut using the mouse or Shift plus arrow keys. Right click and select the option Cut. Now the highlighted text is removed from the current position and placed on the clipboard, which is the temporary storage area. The keyboard shortcut for performing the cut action is Ctrl plus X. The cut option is always followed by the paste option. Paste option. This option is used to insert the contents of the clipboard, which contains text cut or text copied at the cursor position where the desired text is required. To perform the paste option, follow the steps. Step 1. Place the cursor at the position where you want the text to be inserted. Step 2. Right click on the mouse and select the option Paste. Now the selected text is pasted. The keyboard shortcut for the paste option is Ctrl plus V. Copy option. This option is used to make a copy of a part of the text or the old text in the same document or in a different document at the cursor position. To perform the copy option, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the text which you want to copy. Step 2. Right click on the mouse and select the option Copy. Now a copy of the highlighted text is placed on the clipboard, but the original text remains in the same position. The copy option is also followed by the paste option. Place the cursor at the position where you want a copy of the text to be inserted, either in the same document or open another document. Then right click on the mouse and select the option Paste. This action will paste a copy of the text at the cursor position. The keyboard shortcut for copy option is Ctrl plus C.